welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I thought I'd bring you this little unboxing. So this is little and this is cute, to be honest. This is something that I got off AliExpress. I don't quite know when it will be suitable, but I'm sure there will become a time when it is. So it's wrapped in a jiffy bag. Oh, and then it's wrapped in bubble wrap, which is more than I've had for some of my other storage items that have shown up. I have zoomed in because this is tiny. I'll zoom out and show you a bit of perspective when I get some other cases out. But this only cost £3.26. So it's not like I spent a lot. So it had all that, and then it has a bag as well. But I thought I've got pretty much, I think I've pretty much got all the other sizes. I've got to try the Diddy one. So, as you can see, it's very similar to some others. And look at that. So, this is a little case for holding the pots, of which it has the bigger pots. So, got to give it some credit. And it just has 7. So I'm not sure when I'll have a diamond painting that only has 7, but I'll zoom out. See, look, you can start to see a little bit of perspective now, can't you? So to compare, this is the 15 bottle case that I'm currently using for my Heaven and Earth designs, and then this is the 30 bottle case, and then I also use a 60 bottle for my Heaven and Earth designs. What's the other one that I have? Or has my daughter pinched it? In fact, that's a 30 bottle case. It's actually, this one actually has Tic Tac boxes in it. No, it doesn't. This is my daughter's one. Maybe she pinched the other one. I can't remember where stuff goes in this house. Maybe she's pinched the 42 bottle one. Because I was using it. Oh no, duh. This is where I have a moment. I haven't unboxed this. I haven't unkitted it yet. So this is the 42. So we've got 7, 15, 30, 42 and 60. So yes, very, very bad of me to have all of them. I'm pretty sure there's an 81, but I'm not sure if that's 80 with Tic Tac boxes, and I'm only really going for the different sizes with the small round bottles. But this one my daughter's been using, so I'm guessing she's either not working on that painting or hasn't worked on a painting for a little bit. This one's a Heaven and Earth design, of which I have 4. This one is one that I need to dekit with you guys later. But yeah, I thought it would be fun to get the little 7 bottle one, because I mean, if you were doing, say, a special diamond painting that maybe was a bit bigger, you might want to kit them up, and you may just even need, you may have a painting that has 22 colours, so you actually would prefer to use a 15 and a 7 to get away with your, you know, 20, 21 colours, 22 colours, than having to get out the 30 bottle case. Or again, you may have one that has 35 to 37 and you actually decide it's better to have 2 cases than to get out the 60 or the 42. It's just choices, people. So for £3.36 I thought, why not? So I got this one in orange just because I'm trying to vary up my colours a little bit. I do now have another orange one, but only in the 60, because frankly I'm running out of colours, and that's partly because I have so many from my Heaven and Earth designs. But I thought I'd show you the cute little 7 bottle case. Does come with the deeper, but also you still can store a lot. And I think it probably will more than likely be used when I just need a couple more than what a case has. So if I had a painting that had 32, I would probably use these 2 combined than go up to the one that is 42, and so on and so on. So yeah, I'll pop a link for it down below just in case you want one for yourself, either for those projects that may only be a few colours. I have had ones with only a few colours before, depending on, you know, how vivid and how blocky something is, so I don't think it's never going to be used. In fact, I think I did an unboxing. I'm just trying to see if it's still about and easy to grab. Aha, it is. So I did this unboxing from New Homey the other week. So this is a 30 by 40 painting and it has 3 colours in it. Only 3. So that would be perfect, because I would still kit up a painting this size. So why not kit up with a little pot and off you go. So yeah, worthy investment, people. Not sponsored, not given to me, but cute. So get yourself your own cute little case because it's cute. And yeah, hopefully this has been helpful to you. And maybe you'll treat yourself, maybe you won't. Completely up to you, depends on what storage you like. But I thought it was sweet and I'm happy it's here. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.